Hi, my name is Nicole Brors with Dance to the Beat, and today I am making a one-pot pantry meal. If you've got a lot of things in your pantry that you'd like to use up, and you maybe don't have a lot of time, this is great. It's super adaptable, so you can kind of mix and match with what you have and tailor it to your own needs and taste. So let's get right into it. So it's kind of whatever you have on hand, but today I'm going to use quinoa as a good base, and some diced tomatoes, some broth. You can use chicken broth or veggie broth, whatever floats your boat, and then some kind of protein. So I'm going to use chickpeas, but you could use black beans. You could use any kind of beans, really, something really easy that you have on hand. And then whatever else you have. So if you have artichoke hearts, olives, I have olives, I'm going to throw those in there. And then I have got some fresh produce, so this is totally optional, just kind of whatever you have that you need to kind of use up and you want a quick and easy meal. I've got mushrooms and green onions, so that is going to be my meal today. So I'm just going to start by chopping the fresh vegetables. Whichever ones you have are fine. So now I'm literally just going to add all of the ingredients to my pan. I'm going to start with the quinoa. I'm going to go for 2 cups. And the can of diced tomatoes. And 2 cups of broth. And all my veggies. Let's just do it this way. My veggies. And my chickpeas or whatever protein you want to put in there. Okay, let me just give that a little bit of a stir. And then you can kind of season it however you want. I'm gonna go with some garlic powder, some cumin, and then salt and pepper. So I'm gonna do about 1/4 teaspoon of each. And you can always add more salt and pepper later if needed too. And there we go. Now, just gonna heat that up. And then once this starts to boil a little bit, I'm gonna turn it down to medium and just walk away, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check it and see when all the water has fully evaporated. So now it's done, and you will know that because there is no longer any liquid in the pan. See, everything is cooked together. And the quinoa is nice and fluffy. So there you have it, a quick and easy one-pot pantry recipe. If you like this video, please subscribe below, hit the little thumbs up button, and now the best part, we get to try it. It's got a really good flavor with the tomatoes and the broth, and the seasonings and all the veggies kind of come together. And also, if you want a free plant-based protein guide, I will link to that below. It's got great recipe ideas, whether you're trying to eat all plant-based or just one more plant-based meal a week. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Nicole. I am with Dance to the Beat, and remember that eating healthy should be sexy, delicious, and fun, just like you.